Do you want to know how much you can make installing servers in a rack and doing some troubleshooting? I'm going to show you what I did and what I do in order to make this amount. So for instance, in this shop, if I'm not mistaken, I did about 9 hours work. As you can see, is 777 with 75 cents. So I went to this place and I was installing some servers. I'm going to show you some pictures so that way you can see. So in order to do this, what you need is experience installing racks, installing servers, doing networking. So that is what I did here, and the more tools you have, the better. So for instance, here I was talking with one of their employees. This guy, he was making 25 an hour and I was making 85, so a big difference. So if you work as an employee, of course you're going to be earning peanuts. Here I am in the back of the rack, plugging in the PDUs, the power distribution units, and here I have, I think, a few more pictures so that way you can see. So here I was connecting the ISP modem, so that way I was able to connect to my laptop, so that way they can see the configuration and everything. But this is what I was doing basically. Also, I'm going to show you in a little bit a video that I did in my other channel, so that way you can see. So here I was installing the server. So this shop was more like troubleshooting the connection, why the connection wasn't working, and setting up all the servers, so the ETH rack, so that way they can connect, you know, from outside and do anything that they need to do in their servers. And now I'm going to show you my other screen. All right, as you can see here, this is my other channel, Gabak USA, and as you can see, I was able to install the servers. Here I was installing the rails. So here I'm showing you how to install the rails. If you never done this before, if you do this, if you watch my videos, and also I offer exclusive classes that I have about networking. If you want to learn about that, you can buy it on my computer, on my website, Gabak USA, as you can see, .com, and here I am installing the servers. So you can make a decent amount just with a few hours of work, but you have to have a lot of knowledge. Also, you don't have to work as an employee. If you're working as an employee, you're not going to be making that much. So if you want me to talk about any other topic, please let me know in the section below. If you want me to show you how much I make doing maybe another type of work, please let me know as well, and see you in the next class.